What's wrong?
Money.
Money? What's wrong with money?
Look at this. Tabs and tabs and tabs and tabs. I've been here for 3 days trying to figure out where our money is. It's in this bank, and in this savings pot, and in this crypto coin, and in this house. Maybe there's even some in my coffee.
In your coffee?
Money. Everywhere.
Try Strabo.
Strabo?
Yes, Strabo. The application that lets you see everything all at once. Manage and understand your financial situation and take decisive action.
Strabo?
Yes, so even if you've got crypto or savings or real estate or money in your coffee, you can manage it all in one place.
Oh, thank you. Where have you been all my life? I love you, Strabo.
Meet Strabo, the personal wealth management tool at the beating heart of your financial existence. Strabo's clever platform brings together all of your investments from all over the world, including savings, pensions, real estate, and crypto, and creates an easy-to-read layout for you. It's so easy, in fact, that it lets you manage your layout, providing a truly organic, customizable experience. Strabo's holistic approach to wealth management provides access to more than 10,000 financial institutions, all on one platform. You can see your real-time net worth. With just the click of a button, Strabo gives you portfolio analysis, allowing you to check your progress against your own preset goals and industry benchmarks. So when you set your financial goals for the future, you can be confident that Strabo will be there every step of the way. Strabo, the all-in-one wealth management tool that lets you see your assets, manage your financial situation, and do something about it.
As an expat, I found it very challenging to manage multiple accounts across multiple countries. That's why I created Strabo. We're raising £150,000 to expand our marketing reach and to develop our second version to build more features and analytics for our customers.
Working in wealth management for a number of years, I saw firsthand the difficulty that people face when managing their finances across countries and asset classes. And that's why we built Strabo. We're raising 150K to further our marketing efforts and build out version 2 of the platform, which will be faster and easier to use than ever before. Strabo is a truly customizable experience, allowing users to split their information by country and account type and use custom dashboard widgets.
Now here's where Strabo's on the cutting edge. Today, there's nearly £800 million sitting in dormant accounts across the UK. And nearly 55% of UK workers feel that they do not have enough information to make sound financial decisions on their savings or retirement.
Despite this, UK investors plan to increase monthly investment by 19% post-COVID. And the younger investors aren't left out either, with Gen Z leading the way at 36% increased contribution. Strabo gives you a holistic view of your finances, providing insights to allow you to better understand them and offering actionable features such as automated transfers to make saving and investing easier than ever.
We currently have 1,000 people on our waitlist from all around the world and plan to grow this to 5,000 people for our official launch in Q3 later this year. Imagine you have a bunch of accounts spread across the world in different currencies with no easy way to track or manage it. This is where Strabo comes in. Strabo is great because it allows you to connect these accounts into one simple platform so that you can see, understand, and take action for your financial future.
Invest in Strabo today and help us bridge the gap between life and money.